heck am I wearing? Hi guys, my name is Tessa, wearing this really weird outfit. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite paleo healthy pancake recipes. So I love pancakes, however, you gotta admit, when you don't really have flour, making pancakes is kind of difficult. Those are my brother's dirt bike boots squeaking. Oh, I stole this recipe from my boyfriend, so thanks, kid. The ingredients are very basic. It's pretty much just eggs and banana. So the riper the banana, the better. It's like banana bread. I use 2 eggs for this size banana. Sometimes you only need 1 egg if it's a smaller banana. But yeah, so very basic. We got vanilla extract, 2 eggs, a ripe banana, cinnamon, and then ghee, which is just clarified butter. So you can use normal butter. I just prefer ghee. We're going to put a little splash of vanilla extract, so I'd probably say about half a teaspoon. Sprinkle some cinnamon in there, and that is going to be the primary pancake recipe. So as you can tell, it's not specific. I kind of just work with it and add what I need to. The important thing here is to really mash up the banana. It's great if you can put it in a blender, however, I didn't have access to one at the moment, so I just mashed it with a fork. Next up, we simply grab a pan, and now it's just like a normal pancake. So I put the ghee on the pan, you can use normal butter, put the mix in, and cook it like a normal pancake. Make sure to put a cover on it because it really is important to get the top of it cooked. These don't cook like normal pancakes. It's primarily eggs, so you need to make sure you cook it well. And yeah, that's the recipe. It's super crazy simple to make, tastes so good. I swear it tastes better than normal pancakes, and I am a big pancake lover, so I'd tell you guys if it's gross. Definitely not lying to you guys. I hope that you try them. These are perfect for Christmas morning. I'm gonna make them on Christmas morning. I know they're gonna be so like warm and yummy and sweet. The riper the banana, the better, even if it looks like gross ripe. It's gonna taste good. It's like banana bread. The gross ripe banana is the one that makes it taste really good because it's so sweet. And yeah, guys, perfect for Christmas morning. Highly suggest. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm not very good at cooking, so I can make this. You can make it. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon.